dear viewers. Today we're going to discuss calculation of Cronbach alpha. And Cronbach alpha is used to check the internal consistency between the items of a scale. And basically this Cronbach alpha is a reliability test. And this test is used to check the consistency between the items of a scale. To what extent, in other word, to what extent the items of scale are internally related to each other. So it is very easy. So in order to calculate the Cronbach alpha values, so you need to go to analyze, then scale, and then reliability. And then what you need to do, you need to select the items that you want to use or which has been used to measure the construct. So you need to select those variables. So I have selected all the items and put into the second box. So then you need to select alpha value and then go to statistics. So I have like item, scale, and scale if item deleted, and then mean and covariance values. So let's calculate. So total 37 cases and Cronbach alpha value is 89. This is the overall reliability test, overall reliability score of items. So these are item means and standard deviation. So you can see this mean is 4.54 and then 4.24, and like the means are slightly on the same side. Then this is the Cronbach alpha value. If this item is deleted, then Cronbach alpha value is gonna be 0.882. If this item is deleted, 0.887. So overall Cronbach alpha value is 0.89. So if this item is deleted, then Cronbach alpha value was reduced to 0.86. Again, it will be if this item is reduced, then it will gonna be 0.87, and then again 0.87 is 7, 0.864, and 0.61. And if last item is deleted, then it value gonna be slightly improved, and it's gonna come to 906. So it means all the items are interrelated, and there is no need to delete any item. So it means this construct, this means scale was having 8 items, and all the items are interrelated, and overall Cronbach alpha value is 0.89. The standard acceptable level of Cronbach alpha value is 0.70. So this value is greater than the acceptable level. So then we can say all the items are interrelated. So if some item is deleted and it substantially improves the Cronbach alpha value, so then you can delete that item, and then again run the Cronbach alpha, run the process to calculate the Cronbach alpha value. So in this case, in our case, our Cronbach alpha value is highly acceptable because the Cronbach alpha value is 0.891 and the standard is 0.70, and this value is substantially greater than Cronbach, substantially greater than the standard level. So this indicates that all the items included in this concept or in this construct or in this scale are interrelated. It means they are appropriate in this concept or in this scale.